Today we're going to be looking at scale drawings, and when we finish, you're going to be doing exercise 1202 from your textbook, and that's the booklet that you've got. That's got everything photocopied off in it. So in scale diagrams, we've got example 3 over here, which talks about Barry, a farmer, used a scale of 1 centimetre to 100 metres. So for every 1 centimetre that you measure on your diagram, it equals 100 metres in real life. So when he drew this scale drawing of one of his paddocks, we need to use that information to work out the actual dimensions of Barry's paddock. So you're going to need an actual ruler. And when we use our ruler and measure, we can see that this is about 3.6 centimetres. And if you measure down the side of his paddock, that works out to be 2.2 centimetres. So the actual dimensions for each centimetre that we measure, it's 100 metres in real life. So we need to times by 100 on each of these sides and change our answer into metres. So grab your calculator and do 3.6 times 100, and you're going to get 360 metres. And 2.2 times 100, we're going to get 220 metres, because every centimetre was 100 metres. So your answer for A is 360 metres by 220 metres. It says express the scale as a ratio. So we've got a scale here, and it says that 1 centimetre is 100 metres. So we might do B over here. So 1 centimetre dot 100 metres is what we're looking at. We need to change these so they have the same units. So 1 centimetre, to change from metres to centimetres, if you look back into one of our earlier exercises we've changed and converted units. You need to times by 100 to change from metres to centimetres. So that gives us 1 centimetre to 10,000 centimetres. Because we've got the same units, we can cross them off. And we get 1 to 10,000. So that's the answer for example 3. There you go there. Example 2 says Olga, an architect, made a scale diagram of a house using a scale of 1 to 50. The actual length of the house is 20 metres. What is the length of the house in the drawing? So if you're using a scale of 1 to 50, that means every 1 centimetre on your map is the same as 50 centimetres in real life. Now 50 centimetres is the same as half a metre. So we can say 1 centimetre on the map is half a metre in real life. So if the actual length of the house is 20 metres, and we want to bring that back to the length of the house in the drawing, she's going to draw that, and it's 20 metres in real life, then what we need to do is say, righto, for each of these metres, let's have a think about that. For each of these metres, half a metre gave us 1 centimetre, 1 metre will be 2 centimetres. So here we go. 20 metres is our length. So on the map or the plan, that's going to be 40 centimetres. So the next question says the width of the house is 24 metres. What's the actual? So we better put that over here. 40 centimetres. So again, 1 metre in real life is 2 centimetres on the map. Let's double this. That's going to be 48 centimetres. So a lot of this I would recommend when you do your exercise is to write down your ratios or your scales, put things on them like map and real life, and then just use some common sense about how that translates into your answers. So exercise 1202 from your textbook, page 355.